Hi guys, awesome day to everyone. My name is Jay and welcome back to another episode of my stories of anything and everything interesting and fantastic under the sun. Welcome back to VLOGCETERA. And for today's video, we are going out again because we are going to visit Alona Beach. And according to the locals here, something has changed in there. Mas maganda na daw siya. It's looking better. So let's go and find out. Are you excited? Then keep on watching because that is coming right up. Sun is here. Let's go. So guys, this is Alona Beach. And as you can see, it's not the usual na alam natin before. Kasi before, the Alona Beach that we used to know is a party place, just like the white beach of Boracay. But now, it's an empty paradise. And so guys, this is basically the scene here. Madami ding mga establishments that are still closed. And mga nakatenggang construction sites. And what's the good thing is, at least may mga locals who are traveling here. And they are having a good time here. Kaya medyo mas madami yung tao. And we just found out na some hotels here are actually giving discounts sa mga locals who are staying here for vacation. Hey guys, so while we thought that it will rain, so nakisilong kami dito. We're currently here in Henan sa kanilang restaurant. And dahil nga kanina akala ko uulan, we ordered kape. And then nagpasikat si araw. So, magkape tayo sa katanghaliang tapat. It's actually lunchtime. Pero we're just getting some snacks dapat. Pero, yun nga, umaraw. So, tiyagain natin tong kape. And our pizza is here. This is barbecued vegetables pizza. Sarap. Just when we are about to leave and continue strolling, look at that. It rained again at napakadilim. Guys, this is all about Alona. In fairness, it's better than it is before. I think that is it about Alona Beach, you guys. So, yeah, I think it is better. Mas maganda at mas malinis yung shore. Mas konti yung tao, of course, because kakaunti pala yung tourist. And yeah, that is it. And so guys, headband on. Kasi sobrang init sa nilakad namin. But I guess this is where I'm going to end that Alona Beach stroll. Yung ating walking tour. And if you guys like that video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And then share this video, and do subscribe and click that notification bell right there at the bottom so that you will get updated with more of my Bohol vlogs in the coming days. Thank you so much for watching VLOGCETERA, and see you.